Affiliate Secrets 2.0 is the updated affiliate marketing course by Clickfunnels super affiliate Spencer Mecham. In this Affiliate Secrets review, we are going to take a look at Spencer Mecham, his course, and explore the pros and the cons, whether or not it's worth the time and financial investment. Spencer Mecham is not your ordinary affiliate marketer, as he earned over $1 million just in affiliate commissions through Clickfunnels. He has sold more than 2,500 active subscriptions, which is really big for an online marketer. Since making more than $10,000 in his first month, he has now only been scaling higher peaks in online marketing. Even if he made up so much through affiliate marketing, he still stays grounded and humble and tries to help the community in any way he can. This is an in-depth affiliate marketing training course that has been divided into 8 separate modules. Inside this is a comprehensive course that has all the required information and knowledge to achieve success in the affiliate marketing field. Always keep in mind that this won't make you rich in just a snap of a finger. You need to put your time and effort to succeed in this business. The training program is definitely the best affiliate marketing program you can ever find on the marketplaces of today. The course will take you from beginner to expert by showing you the exact strategies for success as an affiliate marketer, and if you are already making money as an affiliate marketer, the course reveals some advanced strategies for making more money with affiliate marketing and also show you how to automate your business. Spencer Mecham has also teamed up with the best traffic experts to show you how you can get more traffic to your offers from almost every social platform. Who is Spencer Mecham? One of the most important moves you can make when working towards being a successful affiliate marketer is to surround yourself with and follow the kind of people you aspire to be like, and use them as guides on your journey to success. If you are familiar with Clickfunnels, then I am sure you have heard of Spencer Mecham. After all, he is the #1 Clickfunnels affiliate and makes a 7-figure income by doing so. To be a pro, you must learn from the pros and apply what they teach you. Simply model their success, just like with anything else in life. Anyone can have success much like Spencer, but in order to do so you must first learn the tools for success, then apply them. Ask yourself this question: if you had the opportunity to learn about Spencer Mecham's strategies and plans for success, would you take it? What would that information and guidance be worth to you? If you want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, Spencer Mecham is the one to learn from, in my opinion. In this video we are going to do a full breakdown and review of Spencer Mecham's Affiliate Secrets 2.0 course, so you can learn about what this course offers and decide for yourself if it's worth the investment in yourself and your business. Affiliate Secrets 2.0 course was designed to be an in-depth affiliate marketing training course. It is divided into 8 modules along with some bonuses. This course offers a ton of information about the knowledge and requirements that it takes to become a successful affiliate marketer, as well as different strategies. Many affiliate marketers learn to master a couple traffic sources such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Quora, and so on. Spencer shows strategies for each platform and even brings in guest experts for certain topics. Please keep in mind that this course may offer the secrets to success, but without applying what you've learned you will not be successful. Let me say that again: you have to put in the work in order to be successful. You must also take action. Action takers are the ones who will succeed. In fact, Spencer was once presented with the question, aren't you afraid that if you give all of your secrets away that there will be too much competition? Now, with that out of the way, let's break down the modules within the course. Module 1. Module 1 focuses on helping you to understand the bigger picture when it comes to affiliate marketing. You will learn the importance of choosing the right niche, and choosing a niche where people are already spending large amounts of money. This module also offers information on how to find high-commission affiliate programs for that particular niche, and focuses on choosing affiliate programs with recurring commissions. The importance of creating value for your customers is also touched on, as it is key when it comes to increasing your commissions. Lastly, this module covers methods to increase your return on investment over time, build passive income and avoid plateaus. Module 2. This module's main focus is how to find the right audience and how to choose products to successfully connect with the audience. Module 2 also teaches you how to set up a fully automated affiliate marketing business. Mecham also discusses the importance of developing high-quality lead magnets in order to build your subscriber list. He also teaches you ways to create high-value lead magnets to grow your subscriber list quickly. You will also learn about how to create converting sales funnels and help you to better understand the creation of automated sales funnels. The last section of this module discusses funnel psychology. This will give you a better understanding of the methods that persuade prospects to keeping moving through the funnel instead of closing out of it. Module 3. In this module, Spencer brings in 5 experts from their respective fields to teach you how to get traffic to your offers. This module shares many different traffic sources such as Google AdWords, Facebook's ads, YouTube videos, Instagram ads, and also solo ads. This module is broken down into 3 sections. The first section teaches you how to set up a YouTube channel and how to rank videos on your channel so you are able to earn recurring commissions. The second section covers how to drive traffic through solo ads. These types of ads can be very effective, but not many people know how to use them correctly. Spencer also shares information on some of the providers he personally uses for solo ads. The third section is a bit more in-depth. This section covers how to become a Google AdWords expert. This is one of Spencer's main traffic sources and areas of expertise. There is a lot of information on how to accomplish this, therefore, there are several subsections in this section. This is a long one. This section also breaks down how to use Facebook ads as well as Instagram ads to drive traffic to your offers. Module 4. Module 4 covers how to convert traffic. This is one of the largest problems that affiliate marketers face. It's great to get drive traffic, but driving traffic means nothing if you can't successfully convert traffic. This module will dive into the secrets of how to convert traffic into customers and earn high commissions from your affiliate partners. Module 5. As I mentioned before, this course is focused on how to set up an automated affiliate marketing business. In Module 5 you will learn everything you need to know about automation and why it is so important to your success. If you've been in the field of affiliate marketing for a while, I am sure you understand the importance of automation, but not many people truly know how to automate their business for that passive, lucrative income that affiliate marketing can provide. One thing to keep in mind is that most successful affiliates make a majority of their money through large subscriber lists through email marketing. You should be an expert at email marketing if you want success in this business. If you are not already an expert, don't worry. The second section of Module 5 covers email marketing and explains how to properly structure your emails to make sure people read them until the end, and also how to increase the click-through rate to the offer that you are promoting. Spencer is excellent when it comes to writing emails. In this course he teaches you how to write your own emails and some of the tricks he uses to get more subscribers. Having more subscribers allows you to make more money through email marketing, so you want to make sure to focus on this. You will also have access to some of the exact email sequences that Spencer uses regularly to earn recurring commissions. He actually provides you with a swipe file of dozens of pre-written emails. Module 6. It's time to scale. In this module Spencer teaches you how to maximize the return on investment on your business spend. Up to this point, you have learned how to identify a niche and how to drive and convert traffic. Now you want to focus on how to find more related products that offer high commissions and are more likely to sell to your chosen niche. You can make a lot more money and get a lot higher return on your investment by maximizing things that are already working. Module 7. Module 7 is essential if you want to learn how to set up your business for long-term success. Very few people can actually say that they work as a full-time affiliate marketer. Spencer is one of those people, and in this module he teaches you about how to set up your affiliate marketing program for long-term success so you can be a full-time affiliate just like him. Module 8. It's all about teamwork. Module 8 discusses the importance of building a team for success. You will never truly be free if you don't know how to hire the right team to grow and manage your business. There are simply some tasks that will eventually need to be outsourced. The help and tips shared in this section will help you learn about how to hire team members, how to delegate work, and how to set up your business so achieve true freedom. Remember, automation is key and you can't be a one-man or woman show forever. If the 8 modules weren't enough for you, there are a ton of bonuses that are worth discussing. Spencer's main sources of traffic are YouTube and Google AdWords. In the bonus section he gives some killer lessons on these 2 platforms as well as solo ads. Each of these bonus module instructors dive deep into their area of expertise and show you the secrets of how to be successful on each respective platform. There are also 5 additional free courses that Spencer includes with Affiliate Secrets 2.0. You will also get Clickfunnels A to Z, Copywriting Secrets, Affiliate Marketing 101, Email Marketing, Web Design for the True Beginner. Last but not least, you'll also have access to a white label Clickfunnels course along with multiple pre-written email swipes, and high-converting sales, shared funnels. You will also have access to a private Facebook group where other successful affiliates and members of the course share their ideas, secrets, and what's working for them. The pros and cons of Affiliate Secrets. Pros: his students are succeeding. This is really what I love most about this course. Average people have purchased Affiliate Secrets and are getting their first commissions. They are winning dream cars. Spencer Mecham is actively affiliate marketing. He is building a 7-figure income through affiliate marketing, and he is sharing everything that is working for him right now. This is no fluff. It is actionable content. He is piled so many bonuses with the course that it is no-brainer. The bonuses are alone worth more than he is charging the course. Cons: the current price for the course is $897. This going to be out of some people's price range. There is a lot of information given to you, so the course will take some time to work through. Is Affiliate Secrets 2.0 right for you? That is a question that only you can answer for yourself. Are you ready to take action, start succeeding and live life on your terms? That is why I invested in this course, but more importantly I viewed it as investing in myself, my business and my future. Overall, Affiliate Secrets 2.0 is an awesome course for those of you who want to succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. Compared to other courses, it is pretty reasonably priced and offers great information from Clickfunnels' #1 affiliate, Spencer Mecham. Unlike some others, this course really does cover it all. Like we mentioned, in addition to the modules, there are some huge bonuses that you just won't find anywhere else. I hope this review helps you on your path to success, but don't take my word for it. Click the link in description to see Spencer Mecham's masterclass webinar, and if you're ready to make things happen.